Hello children, welcomes you all. Let's learn, play and grow. Let's see what is behind the curtain. Squirrel is thinking about alphabet sound. Now we learn alphabet sound. Let's start. Oh, here are empty circles. Oh, they are dancing. Ah, they are gone. Oh, circle brings the letter. Now we learn the sound of each letter. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, P, Q, R, S, T, D, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z, Z. These are some special alphabet highlighted with green color. They are dancing. These are known as vowels. A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels are there? 5. A, E, I, O, U. Rest of the letters are consonant. Now we learn about beginning of the sound. A, apple. The beginning sound is A. B, ball. The beginning sound is B. B, cat. The beginning sound is C. K. Duck. The beginning sound is D. D. Elephant. The beginning sound is E. Now we learn about the ending sound of the letters. Carrot. T. The ending sound is T. Lemon. The ending sound is N. N. Coconut. The ending sound is T. D. Duck. The ending sound is K. K. Tomato. The ending sound is O. O. Thanks for visiting the channel. Thank you. To stay connected, please subscribe the channel, share video with your friends and family. Check out other videos. Love you. Stay healthy. Stay blessed.